Friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. Friends, in the previous video, we have been discussed with the surface area and volume of cuboid and cube. Friends, today we will see surface area and volume part 2. In this session, we will discuss with the remaining part of this surface area and volume. Especially today we will discuss with cylinder and surface area of a cylinder, problems from the practice set 16.2. So friends, let us start with the surface area of cylinder. Cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional object with two round flat bases and one curved side. It has a curved surface in the middle. The base and the top surface are identical. That means the bases are always parallel and congruent to each other. It has no vertices. Take a cylinder shaped container. Take a rectangular paper sheet whose breadth is equal to the height of the container. Wrap the paper around the container such that it will exactly cover the curved surface area of container. Cut off the remaining paper. Friends, unwrap now the covered paper. It is rectangle. Area of this rectangle equals the area of the curved surface area of the cylinder. So length of the rectangle is the circumference of the circle and breadth is nothing but height of the cylinder. So here you could see the cylindrical container and paper wrapped around that one. So it will give you this breadth is equal to height and that of length is nothing but a circumference of the circle. So friends, now what is the curved surface area of this cylinder? This is the cylinder having the height h. The radius of this base is r. When it is wrapped paper, that is turning into a rectangular shape whose length is 2 pi r, that is the circumference of the circle, and breadth is the height. So you write the CSA, that is curved surface area of the cylinder, is equal to area of the rectangle. It is breadth into length. So breadth is here h into 2 pi r and that gives you 2 pi r h. In short, we could say that curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r and h. Now total surface area of the cylinder, that is TSA. Friends, here also the upper and the lower surface of the closed cylinder is circular. So friends, here we will get the h is the height, r is the radius of this cylinder. Then total surface area is nothing but a curved surface area of the 2 times area of the circle. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, that leads to 2 pi r common out, r plus h in the bracket. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. So friends, now we will see some problems from the practice set 16.2. So number 1, in each example given below, radius of the base of a cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and the total surface area. Here r is 7 cm, h is 10 cm. We know that given r is 7, h is 10 cm. What do you have to find out here? Curved surface area of the cylinder and total surface area. The curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. We'll put the values here. 2 pi value is 22 upon 7 into r is 7 into 10. After division here, 7 get cancels and you will be getting 2 into 22 into 10. That leads to 440 square centimeter. This is the curved surface area. Now total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. Now we'll put the values 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into bracket 10 plus 7. So here 7 get cancel. So 2 into 22 into 10 plus 7 is 17. The product of these will be 748 square centimeter. So friends, we can write in summarize, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 440 square centimeter and its total surface area is 748 square centimeter. Let us see the next problem where r is 1.4 centimeter, h is 2.1 centimeter. Here we know that given values are r 1.4 centimeter, h is 2.1 centimeter. We have to calculate here CSA, that is curved surface area, and that of the total surface area of the cylinder. Now curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Now substitute the values 2 into 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into 2.1. So which will be 2 into 22 into 0.2 into 2.1. So the multiplication is 18.48 square centimeter. Next, total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. Again, we'll substitute the values. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into bracket 2.1 plus 1.4. After simplification, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 1.4 into the addition of 2.1 and 1.4, that leads to 3.5. So 7 and 1.4, a division we can do. So the next step will be 2 into 22 into 0.2 into 3.5, and the product leads to 30.80 square centimeter. So in words we can write the curved surface area of the cylinder is 18.48 square centimeter, and that of the total surface area is 30.80 square centimeter. So we'll see the next third. R is 2.5 centimeter, H is 7 centimeter. Friends, here these are the values of R and H. We have to calculate here the same things, curved surface area and total surface area. We'll substitute the values. Curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r is the formula. So we'll put the values 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into 7. R is 2.5 and H is 7. So after simplification, we will be getting 2 into 22 into 2.5. 7 get cancels. So the product of this is 110 square centimeter. Now total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into bracket 7 plus 2.5. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into 9.5. 7 plus 2.5 is 9.5. After simplification, we will get this as 1045 upon 7. So which will be 149.29 square centimeter. So we can write here the curved surface area of the cylinder is 110 square centimeter and its total surface area is 149.29 square centimeter. The next is R is 7 centimeter and H is 70 centimeter and H is 1.4 centimeter. Here again we have to calculate the curved surface area and total surface area. The formula for this curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Put the values 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is 70 and H is 1.4. Here 7 and 70, it will divisible possible division. So 7 ones are 7, 7 tens are 70. So 2 into 22 into 10 into 1.4. That leads to 616 square centimeter. The next total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. We'll put the values 2 into 22 upon 7 into 70 into bracket 1.4 plus 70. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 70 into 71.4. So here 70 upon 7, that leads to 10. So 2 into 22 into 10 into 71.4. So after again simplification, 2 into 22 into 714, the product of this is 31,416 square centimeter. In word we can write the curved surface area of the cylinder is 616 square centimeter and that of the total surface area is 31,416 square centimeter. Again next R is 4.2 centimeter, H is 14 centimeter. Again here we have to calculate the curved surface area and total surface area. The given things we know. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2 into 14. So that leads to 2 into 22 into 4.2 into 2. So product of this 369.60 square centimeter. Now total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2 into bracket 14 plus 4.2. Bracket complete. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2 into the sum of this 14 and 4.2, that leads to 18.2. So after simplification we get 2 into 22 into 0.6 into 18.2 and the product of this is 480.48 square centimeter. In words you can write the curved surface area of the cylinder is 369.60 square centimeter and that of the total surface area is 480.48 square centimeter. So friends, next we will see problem number 2. Find the total surface area of the closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. Pi's value given 3.14. Friends, first of all write the given things. For cylindrical drum, the diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. We have to find out the total surface area of the cylindrical drum. Friends, d is 50 given, so you have to calculate here the radius. So radius is nothing but diameter divided by 2. So 50 divided by 2, that leads to 25 centimeter. So total surface area of the cylindrical drum is equal to 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. 2 into 3.14 into 25 radius into bracket 45 plus 25. So 2 into 3.14 into 25 into 70, that leads to around 10,990 square centimeter. So in word we can write the total surface area of the cylindrical drum is 10,990 square centimeter. Problem number 3. Find the area of the base of the radius of the cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Friends, here the given things are curved surface area given 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. We have to find out the area of base and radius of the cylinder. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r s, that we know. It is given that curved surface area is 660. So we can write therefore 660 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r into 21. Therefore next step is 660 is equal to 2 into 22 into r into 3. So here 7 and 21 division is possible. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Therefore the right hand side 2 into 22 into 3, that will bring to the left hand side, it would go to the denominator. Therefore 660 upon 2 into 22 into 3 is equal to r. Here the product of this will be 2 into 66. 660 upon 2 into 66 is equal to r. 66 and 660 division is possible. Here we will carry the division. 66 ones are 66 and 66 tens are 660. So here 10, again 2 is possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5 is equal to r. Therefore r is equal to pi, you can write. Now area of the base of the cylinder is pi r square. 22 upon 7, r value we calculated as 5. So 5 into 5, that is 550 upon 7. So that leads to 78.57 square centimeter. In word we can write the radius of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and the area of the base is 78.57 square centimeter. Next problem, find the area of the seat required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Find the approximate area of the seat required to make a lid of height 2 centimeter for this container. So friends, here given things are cylindrical container, we can get diameter 28 centimeter, height is 20 centimeter h1. So for cylindrical lid, height is 2 centimeter h2. We have to calculate here that the surface area of the cylinder with one side open and second one area of the seat required to make a lid. So diameter is 28 centimeter. So radius you are getting diameter divided by 2. So that will be 28 divided by 2, 14 centimeter. Surface area of this cylinder with one side open is curved surface area plus area of the base. 2 pi r h1 plus pi r square. So pi r into brackets 2 h1 plus r. 22 upon 7 into 14 into 2 into 20 plus this 14. So 22 into 2 into 40 plus 14. So friends, here 22 into 2 into 54, that leads to 2376 square centimeter. Now area of the seat required to make a lid is equal to curved surface area of the lid plus area of the upper surface. So 2 pi r h2 plus pi r square. Pi r is common, so we'll get 2 h2 plus r. So we'll put the values 22 upon 7 into 14 into bracket 2 into 2 plus 14. So simplification after, you are getting 22 into 2 into 4 plus 14. So 22 into 2 into 18. 14 plus 4 is 18 and the product is 792 square centimeter. In word we can write the area of the seat required to make the cylindrical container is 2376 square centimeter and the approximate area of the seat required to make the lid is 792 square centimeter. So friends, I think you got all the problems. Now what we have been discussed today in this session is cylinder, formula for the curved surface area of a cylinder, formula for the total surface area of the cylinder, and few problems based on this from 16.2. Friends, will you try these problems? Number 1. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 7 meter in height. Find the cost of maintaining the curved surface area of this pillar at the rate of rupees 12 per square meters. How many square meters of the metal sheet is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1.8 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter. Third, the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder of base radius 7 cm is 110 cm square. Find the height of the cylinder. Fourth one, find the total surface area of the cylinder if curved surface area is 176 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. These are easy problems, so use the formula and do this and practice the problems. So friends, you should not forget the famous words by N.R. Narayana Murthy, an Indian IT industrialist. He says that I have always enjoyed mathematics. I have always enjoyed mathematics. It is the most precise and concise way of expressing an idea. So friends, with these words, I would like to say thank you.